So the whole discussion about students being barred from school for wearing certain things. It's not just that rules are rules, because I hear people say rules are rules and they must follow the rules and blah blah blah. But my thing is, it's the blatant disrespect of the rules that governs the institution. It's a blatant disrespect. It's the first day of school, the first week of school, and you've had orientations, you've had emails, you've had messages in WhatsApp groups sent out about this particular thing, but then you're going to be defiant and decide you are going to do what you want to do and turn up to school and them can't turn me back. Is a blatant disregard and disrespect of the rules that governs the institution that you chose to go to. If you don't want to follow the rules, get a transfer out. Go somewhere else that will accept you and your disrespectful behavior. It's as simple as that. I remember talking about the Valance Temp and the Farid where Andrews banned. Do you know how many combs I've had to confiscate? Do you know how many mirrors and edge control I've had to confiscate? Because edges have become a distraction. If I open my drawer right now, I can pull out at least one comb confiscated, because students decide say them edges more important than what go on the class. And if I open my drawer more, I find mirrors and stuff. Why? Because rather than just catch up here and come to school, come learn, you're more focused on your aesthetics. And the grades them now match the aesthetics, and that's the problem. So when they can go and talk around from the mouth about them letting you pick them, lock them out of school. Lock them out. Lock them out. Because it's blatant. It's blatant. It's not like them show up the morning and hear say them not for do it. Them hear it all summer. Them hear it and them come orientation. Them getting in the WhatsApp group and them emails. But they are blatantly disrespectful. And the main problem is because parents aren't parenting anymore. A pitney run things. And because them run things at yard, them feel like them can come to school and run things at school too. Lock them out, man. Lock them out. Lock them out.